Hi, boys and girls. So today we're going to write sentences with our words. So remember, our job this week is to be able to read and write words that have L and T blends. So our first word is going to be clap. So let's write it in the box. K-O-A-P. Clap. So let's write the sentence, we can clap. We can, and we leave a space and we're going to write the word clap. And then let's put a period. Good. Our next word. Let's do the word flip. Flip. Let's do a sentence that's kind of similar to the one we just did. She can do a flip. She can do a flip. Number 3, flag. F-L-A-G. Flag. I see the flag. Always remember your period at the end of the sentence. Okay, now let's do the word best. B-E-S-T. Best. Let's write the sentence. Do your best. With an exclamation point. Do your best. Number 5. Plum. P-O-M. Plum. We like the plum. And our last word, let's write the word left. O-F-T. Left. Go to the left. Good. So we have clap, flip, flag, best, plum, left. All right, let's take a look at the back. So on the back, we have words with a G-L blend. So take your crayon and find the words that have a G and an L blend. And we're going to just highlight those with our crayon to show that we have them. Then we're going to take our pencil and copy these words over here. So we're going to start with glue. This word is glint. G-O-I-N-T. So that one has an L and a T blend. So that has 2. Glad. G-O-A-D. The next one is a lot like glad, but it's gland. G-O-and. Number 5, glass. G-O-A-S. Number 6, glee. G-O-E. Number 7, glob. G-O-A-B. Glob. The next word, glow. G-O-O. All right. So now let's write them in the spaces down here. So we're going to start with glass. G-O-A-S. Okay, next one, glad. G-O-A-D. Glad. Next word, glow. G-O-O. Glue. G-O-O. And the last word is glint. G-O-N-T. Glint. All right, boys and girls, go ahead and put this in the basket and get started on your Lexia.